First time I threw it, this time I'm just gonna let it go.
Oh, there you
That's
go.
all you want to do.
Okay.
No throw.
No throw. Dude, I like to take this thing to the neighborhood and see if... Oh.
I'm one of you! Don't leave me! Don't leave me! I mean, it's... At low throttle, this thing's easy as hell to fly. Like, it's like a trainer. Birds aren't real, guys. Remember that. They're drones, just like this guy.
Alright, here we go, Will. Well, I want you to go as slow as you can go, within reason, not crashing, obviously. That's a crawl right there. That's so cool. Good job.